Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are playing some Brawlhalla, and we're going to be playing free fall, of course, for Ryan, my snazzy character. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've got a skin for Ryan, a skin that I've been wanting to get for a while now. But I finally got the skin, so I'm happy about that. Thanks to my friend H3U. Thank you for the skin, and but yeah. That's pretty much all that's new in Brawlhalla. Got a new skin, stuff like that, you know. Oh god. I just wanted to make a quick video because like I have a lot of videos in line to be posted. I just want to make a short one to post because I want to start posting more often. Start, not stop. Yeah. Ragnar. Freaking get down there. Oh, got one of them. Shit. It's so chaotic right now. Oh my. Well, I got Jero. Well, I got knocked out there. No biggie though. We'll get some more kills. Yeah. That didn't go as planned. Alright, well, GG. let's see what we're gonna do. Let's do something interesting actually. Let's do strikeout, and we're gonna choose all random. Let's see what we'll get. Ooh, I got Zariel. Oh, I missed. Alright, Zariel. Oh, Kaya and Wushan. Alright. I can do this. Probably gonna lose, but let's see. Let's see if I can do this. Get out. Oh well, apparently I can do this. I can do it. That messed up. Oof. Oh no, I went the wrong way with that. Well, doesn't matter. I got Wushan low enough. Bye. Back there. That was quite a game, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.